Join the conference. If you're enjoying the conference, say yay! Yay! That'll make me mighty happy. Mighty myself for. Okay, so we're going to go into second half. Where's Sister Ima, our Queen Mother? Queen Mother here? Queen Mother here?
Yes.
Queen Mother, your people enjoying themselves. Okay, so at this time we're going to allow Queen Mother 5 minutes to finish her 1, 2, 1, 2 as we say in Ghana. We got for 5. Finish your 5 minutes, Queen Mother.
Just put me on the clock. Okay. So,
if y'all love Queen Mother, I'm gonna say yeah.
Oh, you taking your time?
yay! Oh,
We love her. Everybody love her.
So we're gonna just we're just gonna close this up because number one, I'm gonna have an opportunity to be with you guys for my sister back there. She don't like me to say that, but I say you guys. I get chastised. I send emails and things to them, and I say, "How you guys doing?" Why you keep calling us you guys? So, family, feel better? She jumped all over me one day. I was like, "Damn, come on!" I felt like I was getting beat.
Why you keep calling us you guys? Me guys.
Okay, so let me say family. I'm going to cut it real short because and give our lawyer an opportunity to talk to you because we'll be together for 3 days, 3 nights at One Africa. Bomani, God bless him, always says, save the best for last. That makes me feel good when folks say the best part of your journey, all of it's good, but you know, it's like the icing on the cake, the cherry on top is spending time at One Africa because it really is a magical place. But I want to leave you with something. I know I was telling you a story about part of the culture, okay? In Ghana, when women get a certain age, you know, here they retire everybody at 60. When you get 60, they put you out of pasture. I tell them, listen, in America, I could work till I drop dead if I felt like it, okay? But, you know, in terms of mode of dress, okay? Now, as a elder Ghanaian woman, I would have on what you call a lapa, okay? That's that cloth that you wrap around your waist. Well, my waist cloth is on my head, okay? I tell them it's too hot. It's, oh, but you know, mother, you know, as you get older, you know, you have to be kind of cool. Like in South Africa, people are doing this to me with my clothes. I'm like, excuse me, it's supposed to be like that, okay? And they're like, well, you know, when you reach a certain age, you ain't supposed to be looking like this. You understand? You're supposed to be wrapped up, covered up. I said, no, I ain't dead. And then, you know, you have your private summits. So the thing is that, you know, you keep it moving while you can move. All right? But that's part of the culture. And as you noticed, some things I just don't pay no mind. Okay, I think I'm old enough to do what I want to do, when I want to do it, how I want to do it, and without apology. Okay? So the thing is that my bit of advice, I want you all to think about this as you're moving along. I love my family here. A very large extended family, Ghanaian and otherwise. But what is important in your consideration for repatriation and the securing of properties is that you should be talking to people who have done or are doing what you're coming to do. It's very difficult to talk to somebody about what you're coming to do that's never done what you've done and didn't come from where you came from because there's a different mindset. It does not mean that those individuals cannot help you because they can. Here, we have a brother here. Stand up for a minute. No, not you.
Oh, okay.
This brother here, okay, this want to talk about my Ghanaian family, okay? People that you can call up and say, I need something, and they make it happen. He is an entertainer, and he wrote a song talking about some of the things that go on in Ghana. The name of his song is I Wanna Shit. Okay, because one of the, I want shit, okay? And the reason, so to make you understand, part of that has to do with the fact, you know, toilets, they're not, toilet facilities and things are not around. You will find that people will take a dump anywhere. So he wrote a song about a video. And the other one was about the garbage. It's called Bola Bola. Okay. So he is one of those brothers that helps to make things happen. He can give you information that you might not otherwise get from other people. Okay. And then you have folks who love to be able to help you because you have just come from America. And the fact that you can afford to buy a ticket to get here means that you're rich. All right? They really want to help them, okay, because you're rich. And we are like ships in the night. Ghanaians, if you go to any embassy, you will find 500 or more people trying to get out of Ghana. Okay? Exodus in that direction. Okay? And we are exiting out of America. So that we're like ships in the night, neither seeing nor caring. And it doesn't make them bad people because you want an opportunity to do better. My problem with my Ghanaian brothers and sisters is that they leave and they don't come back. And when they do come back, they come back complaining that ain't nothing been happening while I was gone. Y'all still ain't got no toilets. The lights are still going off. The infrastructure's not working. What the hell have y'all been doing while I was gone? I said, well, damn, how long you been gone? 30 years. I said, so what, did you come home to die? So, it's the culture. And the thing with that particular culture is that you might leave Ghana. One of you leave Ghana, you go to America, you get married, you have babies, now you got about 5 or 6 kids, a wife. Airline tickets cost you over $2,000. Now, the average Ghanaian working in America, working at McDonald's and all the rest of that, they're working 2, 3 jobs. They don't tell nobody at home about that. They're working 2, 3 jobs, trying to make ends meet. You want to come home to Ghana? You can't. Because 1, you don't have enough money for all the tickets, and 2, you cannot return home to Ghana with empty hands. They say, oh,
send me back.
You've been on America, don't even, they might send you back, don't even come. Okay? You have to come bringing gifts. So they don't understand when I leave, I don't have nothing. I go to America. I just got back from America. I disappeared and wandered for about 9 months, and I was very well taken care of. And I didn't take a whole lot of gifts. I took the gift of love and wanting to see people. That's it. Don't try that crap in Ghana, okay? But that's just, those are just some of our cultural nuances. And we'll talk more about that, you know, as you travel along, okay? They've got some really good books here, good information, and I know how y'all are. Y'all so generous. Hold on to your money, okay? Do not take the first offer that comes to you. My brother, I'm sure, can share with you, both of the brothers. The one in black, who has been in Australia, and my brother in green, okay? So, I love you all. I'm so happy that I had an opportunity to finally meet the voices behind the conference call. Okay, and those ladies that were supposed to bring me the unmentionables that I won't mention in this group, I'm waiting.